The Epoch Games Super Mario Blow-Up. Shaky Tower balancing game is a tabletop game that has captured the attention of Super Mario fans and families alike. We have gathered reviews from across the internet to provide a comprehensive look at what users think about this game. If you own this game, please consider leaving your review in the comments to help others make an informed decision. This game features a simple yet engaging concept where players take turns rolling a die to determine how many Super Mario action figures they must place on or remove from a shaky tower. The challenge lies in carefully balancing these pieces without causing the tower to collapse. The game includes 7 unique collectible figures such as Mario, Luigi, Yoshi, Toad, Yellow Toad, Goomba, and Boo, which add a layer of excitement and motivation to play. These figures are compatible with other Super Mario games from Epoch, allowing players to expand their collections. One of the standout qualities of this game is its ability to engage players of all ages. The gameplay encourages strategic thinking and requires steady hands, making each move tense and exhilarating. Many users have praised the game for being a fun family activity and a great addition to game nights, especially for Super Mario enthusiasts. The nostalgic charm of the characters combined with the physical skill element creates an enjoyable experience that is both challenging and entertaining. The quality of the game components has been noted positively by many reviewers. The blocks and action figures are made with vibrant colors and sturdy construction, which suggests that the game is designed to withstand repeated play sessions. This durability is important for a game that involves physical handling and balancing. However, some users have mentioned that certain platform pieces do not always stay securely in place, requiring occasional reinsertion during gameplay. While this is a minor inconvenience, it does not significantly detract from the overall fun of the game. Despite the many positive reviews, there are some criticisms worth mentioning. A few users have found the game less engaging, particularly for younger children who may lose interest quickly. Some have also pointed out that the plastic pieces can be small and easily lost, which could be frustrating for families with young kids. Additionally, a minority of reviewers felt the game lacked educational value and questioned its long-term appeal beyond the initial novelty. The game is easy to assemble and quick to learn, making it accessible for children as young as 4 years old. This simplicity is a key factor in its appeal as a family game. Parents have reported that their children enjoy playing it repeatedly, finding it suitable for younger players who can grasp the basic rules and enjoy the tactile challenge. Gift-giving experiences shared by users highlight the game's appeal among Super Mario fans. Recipients of the game have expressed excitement and joy, appreciating the playful design and the challenge it offers. The combination of beloved characters and engaging gameplay has made it a memorable and rewarding gift choice. In summary, the Epoch Games Super Mario Blow-Up. Shaky Tower balancing game is a well-made, entertaining game that blends skill, strategy, and nostalgia. It is particularly recommended for families looking for a lighthearted and interactive game night experience, or for Super Mario collectors wanting to add a unique item to their collection. While it may not satisfy those seeking deep educational content or long-term complexity, it excels as a fun, social, and visually appealing game. The link to the product is in the description below, and supporting the channel by using it helps us bring you more detailed reviews. If you have this game, please share your thoughts in the comments to assist others in their decision-making process.